Oh, why hello, it's me, MrSasaki. Did you recognize me? Okay, so here we are, by popular request. Mary Had a Little Lamb. That's correct. Mary Had a Little Lamb is a great song because it's a bridge between open strings, first finger, second finger, and then third finger is when we start to learn twinkle. So it's a good pre-twinkle song, all right? So let's get to it. All right, we gotta train the boss. The boss is your brain. Your boss needs to know what's happening. If the boss is woo, the fingers will be woo, same. They won't know what's happening, right? So we need the boss organized. So are you ready to sing? This is the boss practice. 2 is our first pitch, C sharp, second finger on the A string. Here we go. 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. All right, got it? Easier said than done, right? I know. Practice, rewind, practice singing it with me, all right? And then also, if you need to write it down, write it down. But if you really practice it, you should be able to get the boss to memorize it. That's ideal, okay? But if you have to, write it down. Okay, here we go. Once we get that, we're ready for plucking and pizzicato, okay? So thumb, index finger, thumb lifting up under the fingerboard, get your A, 1, 2, ready, okay? Here we go, plucking, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2, first finger, 1, 1, 1, second finger, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay, so I like the pizzicato before the bow because we get to avoid that kind of stuff. That means your fingers aren't down enough. We should hear a little ping, ting, like bells, okay? All right, so once you have that and it's sounding nice and clear, time for the bow. Here we go, A, 1, 2, ready? Bow hold, awesome. Here we go. 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2. First finger, 1, 1, 1. Second finger, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. And that's it. We're good. Hey, if you want to practice on D string, let's do it really quickly, all right? So we can practice and transpose this to any string. We could do it on the E string for violin players, right? We could do it on the D string or the G string. Let's do it on the D for now, and then we can get our viola friends to move over and cello friends to move over as well. Here we go. Let's try it on the D string, and just to show you how easy it is. So D string, 1, 2. Get them ready on the D string. Let's play. Ready, go. 2, 1, D, 1, 2, 2, 2. First finger, 1, 1, 1. Second finger, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, D. And there it is. Transpositions by fifths. Just use your open strings, move down, all right? All right, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.